All right, so in order to get this airbag off, which I already kind of popped off, you just need something kind of long, not really that long, but something like this, like an Allen key would work, kind of skinny. But yeah, you need to go into this hole, exact same thing on the other side, right here. And as soon as you put it in, you should feel like a little, like, I don't know, you just kind of got to look around for like a little spring feel. Like, let me see, I'm trying to see if I can show you guys. Okay, so right, comes in through this hole, and then right here there's this like metal brace that it's supposed to hit. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me see. I don't know, right here, and then boom, this little stick, you just push this and it pops it out. All right, now, so once you disconnect the airbag, you got to take off the bolt right back here, which I already did. It was a 13/16 or a 21 millimeter works. And after that, you just got to be kind of careful pulling this off. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this clip from right here, and gonna go ahead and disconnect it. See if I can do this with one hand. Probably not, but there we go. So that disconnected, and now to get the steering wheel off, I think you can just kind of like pull on it, jerk on it back and forth, and look, see how loose it comes. And then just be careful when pulling it off because you don't want to mess up your clock spring. So hold the wires from the back, like from over here. There we go. And now over here. Hold the steering wheel off. Pretty simple. Now all we gotta do is just transfer this whole thing over there to this other steering wheel. Let me show y'all. See, so essentially it's just a base in the back. But yeah, let's get this taken apart. Looks like you need some T-bits, some smaller ones down here too. See, I think that's about it. Let me take it apart and I'll get back to you guys. All right, so these right here are T30s, and then the smaller ones were T20s. And yeah, once you unscrew it, pretty much all of it comes apart. So here's this piece, here's this piece. I already unscrewed it, so. And I think the only part you might have to be careful with is this right here, is removing these wires from back here. Just try not to damage it. But yeah, I think you can also remove this back cover. Yeah, this one. So it makes it a lot easier to get those wires out. So I'll go ahead and do that. These are also T20. So yeah, now that you guys know, let me go ahead and swap it over to that one. And if I struggle with anything, I'll show you guys. We'll also be moving this back piece over there. So all right, so I got everything moved over to this steering wheel. As you can see, looks better. Grounded the steering wheel right here, and then ran the red wire. It came with three. It came with blue, black, and red, and I only need the red. And now it's time to connect this harness that they provided. It's the box that reads, I guess, OBD, and then the one that goes up to the steering wheel to get the information. I went ahead and took this off. Pretty simple, just two T15s in the bottom. Take them out and just yank it out. It literally pulls right out, but don't yank it too hard where you mess up your plugins. And then once you got them here, you can just disconnect them. You can see. Can't really tell how you disconnect these. I can't see. But yeah, you can just disconnect it, or you don't actually have to. You can just run the cable, which I'm gonna do. All right, so I got the wire in, and I went ahead and tucked it up under there along with the box, connected OBD, and like it has another end, so you know you can have both connected at the same time. You don't have to worry about it interfering with your OBD. And yeah, got that buttoned up. Now I need to do just this. Got the steering wheel on. You know, it's reverse order of what I did earlier. Haven't put the bag on because I was just testing it. But like I said, this is a pretty good ground right here under this bolt. Make sure it's under the plastic, because if you do it right here with on top, there's a good chance it won't work. So, but yeah, and then run your wire in between the middle, so when you turn the wheel, it doesn't get caught up on anything or, you know, rip. But yeah, now I'm gonna put this bag back together, plug the battery in, put that up or whatever, and then show you guys how it looks. All right, so I got the steering wheel in, got that put up, battery connected. Now let's see if I did it right. Probably gotta adjust it or something, but yeah. Sheesh. Pretty cool though. All right, so like I was saying before it cut off, I'm gonna show you guys all it comes with. So I got it to adjust. It should go now with the lights and everything. As you can see, tells you RPM, miles per hour, other things too, as your temperature, battery, your power usage right here. So this like how much the car's using right now. Watch, it'll like change, or I guess not. I don't know what the fuck that is. And then it's your Fahrenheit, and then any check engine lights will pop up here as error, as a fuel thing. I don't know, it tells you I guess how much I'm averaging right there, I think. And this is just like the trip for the fuel. I don't know, I'm still learning about it, so I really don't know. But yeah, and then you can change like the shift points and everything has settings. You just right click or you hold both or something. It's like a whole little manual, but yeah, it's pretty simple honestly. Let me go ahead and set up this phone and I'll show you guys how it looks driving. All right, let's see how this turns out. Oh, nice. Yeah, so as you can see, the lights change with RPM, so it's pretty cool. I'll do a full pull here in a bit, that way you guys can see when it hits the red line. I have it set to about 68, 69,000 RPM. I didn't want to go up all the way to 7, but definitely could take the 7 just because of the cam and springs it has in it. But I like to play safe. It's my daily, so. I think you could also set it up where your turn signals light up with this, like these lights right here, but I didn't really care enough, honestly. I just wanted the shift light. But this is perfect, man. It feels great. The car's really responsive with it. Like, I don't know, it feels better than OEM for sure. Like these finger slots, fire. Flat bottom, man, freaking fire. But all right, I'm pulling up to the gym, and I'll catch you guys here in a bit when I do a full rip to let you guys see how it goes and everything. Even on the downshifts, it's pretty cool because it goes up. This car's in my way. I'll let him get some distance. That way I can show you guys red line. Alright, you guys ready or what? Yeah, that's how it looks like when you hit the limiter on here. Pretty sweet, lights up, flashes at you. But yeah.